moving forward, I think the government should try to prioritize education seriously. We need to prioritize education because without education, then we're in trouble in that country. $23 million from Abacha was just returned. Why can't the government channel that money into education and solve this matter? At least that would be about 100 billion. That will start something. Then also try and compromise in some issues affecting ASUU. That will also go a long way.
The government don't want to solve this ASUU strike because their children are not schooling in Nigeria. The reason why I say that is because government can stop this ASUU strike by giving ASUU what they need in order to advance the educational system in Nigeria by stopping the people that are stealing the oil on the side and control it and take that money to pay them. The other hand, where is the Nigerian Union or Students Union in Nigeria? Where are they? What is their stand? Why nobody ever says something about those people? All they need to do, if they want to stop this mess or this madness, all they need to do is the Nigerian Students Association or Nigerian Students Union, all they need to do is to call for peaceful protest, call all the students all over the whole Nigeria to come to Abuja. They will shut down Abuja or peacefully, no violence, until the government gives them that money. It's very easy. If the students want to do it, if every student that are in Nigeria charter a bus, and I know some of these transporters will donate buses for them to come to Abuja. If all of them come to Abuja for a protest, even if it takes them 6 months, 8 months, they will stay in Abuja until the government solve their problem. That is the only way government will hear them or listen to them, because they have done in Senegal, they have done in Egypt, and finally, recently they did it in Sri Lanka. So if Nigerian students want to go back to school, they know what to do. Let them start a protest in Abuja until, even if it takes them 6 months, they will shut down Abuja. Government will listen to them, because how can you go and borrow money and buy cars and give to another country when your own students, your own children, your own kids, your own grandchildren are staying home without being educated, knowing that education is number one thing of a human life, and you insist to keep on playing politics in everything? Students are not, and education is not something to be play politics with.